Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Vivo Y11 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how we can use Smart Wake option in your phone Vivo Y11. First of all, you need to go to the settings in your phone Vivo Y11. Click here for settings. Now click on Smart Motion, click on Smart Wake. Here you go to turn on first button, slide upward to unlock. So when your phone screen is locked, you can just swipe up like this and phone be unlocked. Now you have to put the unlock code, that is unlock pattern. Next, slide downward to take a photo. So just slide like this and camera will be open directly. And we'll see the next option. Go to the settings, smart motion, smart wake, and draw C to launch the dialer. So just you go to draw the C on the screen and dialer will be opened. And we will see the fourth option now. Go to the settings, smart motion, smart wake, and draw M to play music. So if you draw M on the empty screen, music will be playing. So here I disable the music because it may be copyright. So just I disable it. And next, slide horizontally to change music. So if you slide from left to right, next song will be selected. If you slide from right to left, previous song will be selected. So in this way you can easily change music also. The next settings, draw E to launch browser. Just draw E like this and browser will be directly opened. Just you have to code the pattern and yes, it's open. Next option is draw W to launch WhatsApp and draw F to launch Facebook. So first I draw W, yes, WhatsApp will be opened when you put your pattern lock. Yes, it's opened. Again I go to the same settings, smart motion, smart wake, and draw F to launch Facebook, then draw add to launch email. So when I draw at the empty screen, email will be open. Yes, it's opened. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.